Oh my god. Okay. Hello guys. I can't breathe.
It doesn't.
Yeah! Yeah! Ricch.
Killing beats.
Sugar track. Rule number Don't worry about it.
Okay, so hello. This is my first video on my channel. Hi, my name's Ivy, and like an I and a V. That's how it's pronounced, not how it's spelled, but you get it. I'm gonna be making my first YouTube video, and it's gonna be a makeup tutorial, and today we're gonna be doing a mainly red look. If you enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more. I'll be doing a lot of makeup tutorial, and my channel will be mainly like makeup and music. It might be more, but for now I just want it to be like makeup and music. Before we start, I am not a makeup artist, so everything I'm doing here is not like professional way of doing it. It's just how I do my makeup, okay? Yeah, so I'm about to do my makeup. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe if you want to see some more. So I'm back. Eyebrows are did. Anyways, so now I'm gonna move on to the eye, but before I do my eye makeup, I'm not sure what it is about this one. I don't know if I have like clogged, there's a thing they called it, but like I always make sure I like kind of like, you know, massage it a little bit so that when I put makeup I don't continue having teary, like my eyes don't continue tearing. Now we're gonna take our concealer, dot that on our eye, and basically spread the product around. I take this because it's what I use to brush out my translucent, even though it's supposed to be for bronzer, but I don't own a bronzer, so too bad. I don't have any red eyeshadow palette with like red, so I bought this the other day in my like beauty supply store type thing, and it's like a nice red. It's a lip color. Now this may sound gross, well not like gross, but it's like, anyways, oh my gosh, it's about to sound so bad. I dot this on my eyes and take my brush, and I'm gonna spread it around. You finish working your way to the top of that. I'm gonna take another brush, and then I'm gonna take this eyeshadow palette from Forever 21. I'm gonna grab this brown right here. And yeah. Oh, by the way, and I'll say it later. So I'm gonna take that brown and kind of put it on the outer corners just to add something to this. So then I'm gonna go back with the red brush. I'm gonna add more red. So right now I'm gonna take the Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless for normal to greasy skin. It's matte. I have really oily skin, so And then now we're gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is 40, which is caramel.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
I really like a built concealer. I don't know why. I have an obsession with the way concealer makes your face look when you have makeup on. So now I'm gonna go with my translucent powder. And basically I'm not gonna like be baking right now. I'm just basically gonna set everything in. So like I'm gonna take the baking powder and like press it in all over my face actually. So we're pressing it in everywhere. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, now we're gonna contour. I'm gonna use my eyeshadow palette. I know it's so sad I don't own contour. Now it is time to bake. Maybelline Great Lash, I don't know, clear transparent mascara and eyebrow gel. Everybody knows what this is. Anyways, then I set my eyebrows with them. And I don't really like let my face bake for like 2 minutes. Like at most I'll do 2 minutes, but then everything's like off, so. But yeah. So I use my biggest brush and I basically just brush everything off. And now when I'm done brushing everything off, I use this. It's supposed to be a bronzer, but it's not. That I just brush all over my face when I'm done. It's cool. I don't know. Out. I didn't really do this the last time I did, but like I'm gonna like kind of put product under my eye. And then hopefully this one where that we used to like blend out the red. I want to get some red out of it, so this is an old blush I took from my mom, really old. It's the only blush I use. I don't really use any other blush like that. So some days when I'm in the mood, I literally just brush it all over my face. Because I feel like it does the effect of a bronzer since I don't own bronzer. Time to spray. So anyways, so like my thing fell and I didn't want to waste it because it was like the only highlighter I had at the time. So I basically put it in here. So now I'm gonna take that, brush on my skin with this brush. I know I do not have the right brushes for makeup per se, but I make what I want work. So yeah, take that and I dab it on my nose. That I got from like a drugstore, and I take like the gold, which used to be like my highlighting, my highlighter basically. So yeah, this is basically the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be coming back with more makeup videos. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye.